1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. And you are not saving your special needs child. All right, we can go off the record. You're going to have to get your life in order. If you don't, your life is going to continue to spiral out of control. But you're an adult. Your son is not an adult. Your son is 100% dependent upon you, and you're just doing foolish things. The court is going to find you guilty.
Judge Boyd isn't holding back in today's courtroom showdown. This mother, if you can call her that, left her special needs child in a car, has 2 open CPS cases, and won't give up drugs. After 36 chances in court, she still expects sympathy. Watch. And see if Judge Boyd was tough enough or too lenient. Drop your thoughts in the comments.
Oh, could I have a file stamp for this case? For the state? Defense?
Michael DeLeon for Ms. Hernandez.
And are you Ms. Hernandez?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And counsel, I know you were recently appointed to represent Ms. Hernandez. Are you waiving your time?
We are waiving any type of preparation period, Your Honor. I believe we have come to a resolution.
All right. Are you the same Victoria Irene Hernandez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 8599 for the offense of abandoning a child with intent to return on January 4th, 2021 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. State.
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 13 on or about the 23rd day of April 2024 in Bear County, Texas. Defendant Victoria Irene Hernandez did then and there operate a motor vehicle without a valid Texas driver's license in violation of condition number 13.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Yeah. Under waiver of the remaining violated conditions.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 13, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Is there a proposed agreement?
So there's not.
All right. State, what are you requesting?
State's requesting revocation.
Defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, probation had made a recommendation to extend for 1 year, place Ms. Hernandez in a DDRF, followed by mixed supervision and a parenting class. And as the court could see, she was in felony drug court. DDRF was held in abeyance last time as an option, and she is motivated to go to DDRF, be successful in it. Apparently the wait is only 3 to 6 weeks, and that's what we're asking the court to do.
Leaving a child alone in a car isn't just a mistake. It's reckless. Endangerment, prison time should be a given, depending on the state, not Texas charges. Like child neglect can mean years behind bars. And no, I was only gone a minute. Doesn't cut it. A minute is all it takes for tragedy to strike no excuses.
All right, Ms. Hernandez, I don't think you're a good candidate for probation. And let me just tell you why. Felony drug court is an intensive form of probation. I know that. But from reviewing the court summary at the sanctions that they gave you over there, and let me just tell you how many sanctions they gave you, which means this is how many chances they gave you. You understand? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. That's what you're coming to this court with. 36 times felony drug court was seeking to work with you. So you see where my mindset is? And do you understand why?
Yes, Your Honor.
And so I placed you on probation here. Well, it was heard on March 9th, 2022. And that's when you were sent to felony drug court. So I don't think you're a good candidate for probation.
Judge, if I could.
Yes.
One thing for Ms. Hernandez, the good thing about felony drug court for her was that it is our belief that it has worked. She has been clean since September, and if she was tested today, she's going to come up negative. Mm-hmm. So, it's not like she totally, yeah, there's several things that she did do correctly in felony drug court. There are a number of things, obviously, as the court has seen, that weren't done correctly, but she's made a lot of her appointments and, she has ended up clean, which is the point of felony drug court.
I just don't think you're a good candidate. I mean, felony drug court. I mean, there are major issues, but instead they are still trying to work with you. And they tried to work with you a lot. Here's the thing. I know a lot of people want to stay on probation. They do. Like nobody wants to go to prison. I don't take any joy in sending the people to prison. And everybody that I send to prison or everybody I place on probation, I actually do remember them. Even as a defense attorney, I had some clients who ended up in prison. Guess what? I still remember them and wondering how they're doing and hopefully they've changed their life. And it'll be the same with you. I just don't think you're a good candidate for probation. I think we tried.
The Judge Boyd gave this woman every chance, 36 to be exact, and she still failed at that point. It's not bad luck. It's a commitment to bad choices. Probation is already a second chance, and she fumbled it every time. If she truly cared about her kid, she'd have straightened up by now. So what's the judge supposed to do? Give her a 37th chance? No way. Whatever comes next, she earned it. What do you think? Drop your predictions, and let's see how Judge Boyd handles this.
And
So,
And Judge, the only other thing is she's never been given a felony conviction before. That's why she wants to stay on defer. She's motivated for it. And that's why she was hoping that the probation's recommendation would be followed.
all right, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to find 13 true. I'm going to revoke, find you guilty.
Anybody else? How about before all the past few years?
Judge.
Yes.
So I was going back and forth with the drug court personnel in this case, and there is some concern if she is given a sentence JSAT.
Oh, it's not going to be JSAT.
Okay. Okay.
All right. And what was the concern though? Now you've piqued everyone's interest.
Judge, they feel that a JSAT sentence is not the reason why she was kicked out of drug court and so forth. They just don't think JSAT would be appropriate. And some other concerns in regards to her child. So if she was given, from my understanding, there is a CPS open case for neglect and possible abuse. Not on the father.
Okay.
There's an open case.
And state you're asking for revocation?
So we are not opposed to revocation, but we are not with JSAT.
Okay.
Judge, if
I mean,
may.
what I can tell you, I wasn't going to give her judgment satisfied. I just, let me just tell you what my thought processes were.
Yes,
My
Your
thought process in reading everything was I saw that there's a child involved, right? This case involves a child and it's abandoned with intent to return. So I understand, and I understand that child, they're telling the report is special needs,
Yes.
but she's making horrible choices.
So DDRF only lasts for long, probation only lasts for long. If we help her continue, she has a possibility of, one more chance. And the court has given plenty of chances before, but if she's given one more chance, there's a possibility that one day she's going to be still with this child, and that child needs a stable parent, and DDRF will help in that potentially.
And you are not saving your special needs child. So where is the child now?
He is with his father at the moment. The CPS case is on the father and the current girlfriend. And
So let me get this straight and correct me if I'm wrong. So you are saying that there's allegations of abuse, and those allegations are abuse against the father who he's with?
Yes, Your Honor. And the case has been open for about they opened one CPS case, my court did, because of the what they had found in my phone. And then the caseworker got in touch with
What did
with
they
the
find?
father.
Wait, raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your
So
Honor.
help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
So
State your name.
Victoria Hernandez.
What did they find in your phone?
Like, so later on, they said that it was because like the autism doctor recommended that they lock the door at night. But I thought like they were just locking my son in the room like all day. And so that's what drug court found on my phone when they were going through our messages was me like getting mad at the dad about locking my son in the room. And so they called CPS for neglect. And then the dad got another CPS case because I believe the school called CPS for neglect as well.
All right. Any objection to somebody from drug court zooming in?
Objection.
No objection.
All right. Just have a seat. Drug court is going to zoom in so we can get to the bottom of what's going on.
2 years seems fair when you rack up 36 sanctions. In felony, drug court jail time is inevitable. She basically speed-run her way to a sentence. The saddest part, she never loved her child enough to change. I feel for this kid. He never had a real shot. And as for the father with his own CPS case, I'm not holding my breath. How did he even get custody? Sketchy, to say the least. Judge Boyd handled this perfectly. No excuses, no dodging, just accountability. What do you think? Did she get it right? Or should things have gone differently? That's a wrap. Like, subscribe, and drop case recommendations in the comments I post daily. And thanks for watching this episode, guys. See you in the next video. Bye. Take care.